This is our 2007 Dodge Ram 1500 Mega Cab Hemi 5.7 liter 4-wheel drive pickup. It does have the Nerf bars, tow mirrors, good tires, tow package. It is an SLT. It has tinted glass. It does have fog lights. It's a very clean truck. Of course, a huge cab, plenty of room. It does have the AC vents in the back. See, that's the standard power options. Does have powered driver's seat. $125,417 miles. Does have cruise control, CD player, nice console. It does have the temperature reading. That is our 2007 Dodge Ram Mega Cab Hemi 4-wheel drive 5.7 liter.